Kublai pi baro ki bepet ya ketuk kubor jong pet ngor cable news. Haswa bangine sedang ya ki kubor ki jongi mata kata yong ini kini syai kimat bakongsan. Tunggu sarkar ka search committee benwat ki dukhat jong ka expert committee halor ka reservation policy. Hadirin kejungan panel Switzerland kentok ubak pole kejingnya ki reservation ubak Aden. Mi UMLE ko umsning ban penpau kejingnya i kejong u halor kejingma kebalak ban up ya ki khasi berjentia na kejing dawa pen kelai ke reservation policy. Bakeno le asniu ni aiksut pencitam kesenang umret da ke bapentit tin ya laingut gibri. Ba inject formalin hagi dok ha mana wanrak dok ha na sebar ke jela. Dan poin san lakmut kinong di drug sa ke jela hagi lais nem beladep ya tu ubak polem dok. Bat dan kam kejing trelang bat kipat ba baniada na kejing kelak kemarian. Kajing elang jo kekunhun menteri kebelai kendu harasi hat najai jo ketayo kala sim ya karai bantung ya ke search committee na ke bentaban wat ya kiri sempang ki badan ha ke expert committee ban penbet themai ya ke reservation policy jo ke jela bat ke sarkar kala rai ru ban penmi no ya ke office memorandum ke bat themai halor ke reservation roster bat an peniak chakmat no ya ke jing thong kam thong jam.
Kajing elang jangka kenhun menteri kebelai kenduk haka hendreu Tarik ujeliau arhajar apulai. Kala syim megarai bantung ya ke search committee na kebentaban wat giro syampang ki bandan hak expert committee jangka jing penbet temai bagi jing kemi ya ke reservation policy jangka jela. Habai keran beginang patai kubor hadian belawai ke jing elang ke kenhun menteri u konrad kongkal sangma uluong bagi kenhun menteri kala ajing menjur ya ke search committee ke ban klit u chief secretary ke jela rengkat bat arngut ki head officer na ketenat law bat personal na ke bentaban wat benia bantung ki sangut ki dekat jangka expert committee halor ke reservation policy. Menteri Rangba Uluong Basyan ke Sarkar Jela kan sepenmi no ya ke office memorandum ke batamai hak bedai bagajeng penterekam ya ke reservation roster. Bacisian bala penmi ya ke office memorandum. An sepenyat no syakmat ya ke jeng tungkam tungjam ha ke Jela.
The state government has also, as per the notification that was put up an expert committee for the review of reservation policy. The government has decided that a chief secretary and one member from the law department and one member from the personnel department, a 3-member committee has been put up as a search committee to look for experts who will be able to then be part of this expert committee. It was recommended that this committee should be a 5-member committee and should have experts from different fields, as was mentioned in the notification. Also, very important decision today was taken was that the office memo for the reservation roster amendments were put up today to be made in the reservation roster so that the reservation roster OM is clear. And with these amendments now in the office memorandum, the process of recruitment will also be starting post the office memorandum for the reservation roster. No, as I said and I've maintained from day one that the roster is a continuous process. And the continuity, obviously it starts with 72, but the continuity is there. And we have been maintaining that in the past many years, the different positions that have been there have been filled up by certain communities in some cases and by different communities in certain cases. And hence, whatever the case may be, those positions were filled up. But the roster plotting is required to allow us to know where we are in the roster today. And hence, the data that's going to be plotted is going to allow us then to know from which particular serial number do we start now. And that is the main purpose. And hence, the advertisements will take place from that serial number. And that is the purpose of plotting the numbers from 1972. And wherever the data is available, we are doing it. Wherever data is not available, we are starting from 1. Yes, because recruitments cannot stop. I mean, if we put a stop to recruitment, then many of our youngsters who are meant to get jobs and who are going to apply for them, who will get overage as the days go by, will suffer. And hence, in the larger interest of ensuring that the youth get the jobs, while the review or the discussions or the committees will deliberate on the different aspects of reservation policy, the recruitments will continue.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka hendruk Tarik ujeliau arhajar arpulai. Ulapan pau ke jengku selai bakapung yam kadon hat temir bat kan omla asyo ban penmi ke boarding elektrik namar ke jeng bom dan Ukon rat kongkal sangma ulong baga jeng kerdo boarding mentaka kenti kamdai tang ya ke jela Meghalaya. Ndrai wat kiwe ke jela jogari India ru kilamat ya kini ke juk ke jeng Ndrai ke sorkar jela kan persangkat balak ban penbiang ya ke jeng don kam ka boarding ha ke jela. Ulong bakapung yam kadon ha ke temir ban la ban dukut mensiam no namar ke jeng momyo aslap bah mentaka kenti kumaji ha ke snam ke belalek. Ukon rat kongkal sangma ulong bagi sorkar jela ke penlut kumbah terus pak klur tengka ban siau shiki jinglut jong ketenat boarding kam tama ke bedai bagi jingtiat boarding baman kesingi kumbalai klur tengka. Ulong bagi sorkar kelasya mekesenjam ban pelat ipat bak nang kene kejing ke bagi kenduk mentah. Kumta ke sorkar kan penteri kamno ya ke Chief Minister's Solar Mission ban penankam daki solar unit.
So Umiam is almost at a point of shutdown. We have not received rainfall, to any, kind of required level in the past few months, and this has been one of the more difficult months in terms of rain for the state. While I say that, but let me also share with you that the power scenario is bad in most parts of the country today. Almost every state is facing a similar crisis which we are facing. That's because, as I said, the rains are affecting everybody, and the overall scenario is bad everywhere. Just to give you an example and also to share with you how the government is working today. Today, on an average, in the last 2 years, and this year is no different, we are spending approximately 600 crores of the state's revenue to pay for different expenditures, including purchase of power from MECL point of view, to even maintain the kind of power that we have today. We are purchasing close to 3 crores of power every day, even now, considering the kind of scenario we're facing today. Hence, if the situation continues for the next 100 days, we'll be spending an additional 300 crores just to buy power, just to maintain this level of, the load shedding that we have. And so, therefore, situation is very complicated, but we are doing our best to ensure that the load shedding doesn't go beyond this. But what we wanted to share with everybody is that it's not that government is not doing anything. We are trying our best to ensure that we're able to maintain things as it is right now. And obviously, we need the rains to come. And also, we are working in the long run, which I've shared with you, that we have to go for other augmenting measures. So therefore, this solar mission is meant to be one of those measures. It will take time, but as we move forward, I'm hopeful that in the next 2 years, 3 years, we will see more input from the solar power into the decentralized system of housing of the houses and homes, which we can then have it on solar as a backup. We are also, as I said, working very closely with thermal producing plants because we are keen that now that licenses for the mining are being given, we are hopeful that we'll be able to start the thermal plants also, and that may be a long-term solution that we may see in the next 2 to 3 years to 4 years time. So we are taking some very, very strong steps towards it. But yes, these few months that we had in the past and the current time also is very difficult for us. I won't hesitate in saying that this may be one of the most difficult times that MECL has faced because of multiple aspects. There is an issue of the rates that we have. Today in the Regulatory Commission, we are limited. We do not have the full power to determine the rates that are being charged by the MECL, and is determined by the Regulatory Commission. And today, in certain cases, the Regulatory Commission is even putting up rates that are below the below the market rate. Means the consumers are paying more than the industries. And so, for example, today the consumers are paying 6 rupees, whereas industries are paying 5 rupees. And these are rates that are set up by the Commission in spite of repeated requests that the industries should pay more. We have not got a positive result or a response from there. So we are still working with them, and we're trying to resolve these issues. And also the rates that are being charged from consumers is much lower compared to the cost that MECL is bearing today. And hence, these things have to be changed if we want to see any kind of long-term improvement in the financial health of MECL. Apart from that, of course, we have issues of AT&C losses, but in the last few years, we have seen that come down to some extent, but much more needs to be done. And that's the reason why schemes like the RDSS schemes are being implemented today to ensure that we have a better metering, that it comes up so that we can actually reduce the AT&C losses that are there. And obviously, we have to increase our own power production in terms of augmenting the current hydro plants that we have, and also to ensure that other sources of decentralized sustainable solar power for households and institutions, as well as thermal power should come in. And that is the only way that we'll be able to see in the medium and the long term that the power situation will stabilize.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha ka hendru Tarik ujeliau hajar arpulai. Ula pentip ba ke jingya kren esok apdeng ka kenhun keng atiar nyau trap National Liberation Council HNLC ka sorkar jela bat ka sorkar pedeng kala ban khamslem kendiat namar ke jingmi umsnam ha ke Jela Manipur. Habaya keren bat kinong patai kubor Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baki he jong ketenat Home Affairs jong ke sorkar pedeng kidang bun kam bha menta ha ke Jela Manipur namar ke jingja ha ke Jela bat kumta ki kam gijam kila kelano ulong ba ketenat Home Affairs kadon ke jing terang bane keren sukno bat ke HNLC kumta ke sorkar Jela kala yo bane keren bat ke sorkar pedeng bat kala pentikna ba ke jing keren suk kan sedang no bat an sepenyat no syakmat ya kene kakam.
Well, we have some complications because of Manipur also. As you're aware, the MHA is quite busy with the different developments in Manipur, and it has made things slightly more complicated. So we are in touch with MHA, and as I said, they are very serious about this entire thing. We should be starting soon, but we have had a bit of complication because of Manipur situation, and Government of India and MHA is very deeply involved in what's happening there. So I hope that we should be able to move things forward very soon.
Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan bana baga jingalang jangka kenhun menteri kebelalong ha ke sengi baar kala syemru ikarai bantau no ke Directorate of Forensic Science kamtam ha baga Jela beras kata kadon daka Forensic Science Cell ke betrekam hapok ke tenat pulit ke Jela. Luang bakat kum ke jingpatha ke Human Rights Commission ke Jela kadon kam ban penkha ialah ke jong ke Directorate jangka Forensic Science kenang bakan trekam lat luoj bat ban lat no na ke jingkmi bat jing peniat jangka tenat pulit. Bat ya ke Directorate of Forensic Science on Kemino dagat tenat korbari ke Jela. Nalur kene ula pentip ru bagi sorkar Jela kala ajing menjur ke Chief Minister's Solar Mission ke baterwa ban penderung ya ke Sustainable Green Energy ha Meghalaya. Ha ke bagi sorkar kan ai kat tu kene ke subsidi kene ke skim syakilong yeng ke badan hasor bat nong kendong bat kumju ke jaka pulia. Ka Chief Minister's Solar Mission ka dekru company ek boarding lengba ki solar hybrid technology ha ka ba insam skilong yeng ki battery inverter bat ki begi jingnan kam ki ba nagane ke scheme Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulia thu ba ka kenhun menteri kala menjur ya ke jing terwa ban kentup u secretary jong Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission ha ka thup jong ka heads of department kat kum ka rules FRs and SRs syajar khandai spa prapusau ban penti kena bu secretary unyo no ke jing pen bor ha ka ban pendep ka kamram ka bala benchat au
Menteri ki kam jungok kai ke Jela uba poleng do ubalong ru working president juga United Democratic Party UDP hakala si ublei juga tayo ula keno ba ka sengsan perthai Voice of the People's Party kata ka VPP ka bailam do ba aden mela basai mod kadeban pediang ya karai jong pat ba hakapor election bat ulong ru ba ka VPP ka persang ban penia yikiwei watla kala job tang saungut ha ka election MLA ka badang sudap.
Kani ke jengken tho ba poleng do kadai hadian bagi kat to kani kipat ba ke beri gidong kersahan jong keseng VPP bagi lalai dra ke jeng tho akamat ke yang sa jong u bat bu la sha kan tho live hojat e kiran san social media halor ke jeng sabjar halor ke jeng dawa pen kelano ya ke reservation policy ke Jela uba poleng do ulepan syai bagawe ni gidaw bu la sha kan tho bat sha kran bha kadai namar bu ujuong bagat hadmat pran kadai ke thamme jeng jeng ki Nega than ki don lai tli ki constituency kita ka mau kharjayau mau lai bat mau prem. Nrei ka VPP kelala banjob tang na mau khar bat mau lai. Nrei kem shimlala pat banjob na mau prem. Uni unang ilam keseng UDP ula kenoru baga VPP ke persang ban peniat igi weipat wala kala job tang sangut ki MLA hagi norbar kebadan hendro paungut ki MLA bad on ailat iki bakin le kumni namar bagi don bon ru ki brio ki be jat ben rio bad on dan manu menuru ki balak ban simti hidalade ya ke jeng iet ya ke jat ben rio ulong baga jeng ki ka VPP kadai ke drama politics bad dai ban smol lengo la da ki sengsang pertai ki le drama tang ba udai pat bandan ulan bat kamat jang reservation policy kam dei banlong ka jinga kop le drama apa deng seng san pertai ha kejela uba poleng do ule kentu ke seng VPP bagane selok bat kinong sad an ki batip bahai ki an ha keriti sensyari ki bani arab iki ha bani tai keriti sensyar kari ha ba ki dawa ban pen kela thamai no ya ke reservation policy Uni unang ilam ke UDP ulapan pau ke jing sengongo ya ke KSU kebalai jing mud ya ke jing dan kam mantau ke expert committee bancong bishar biang ya ke reservation policy. Badwai jing kersan ru ya ke jing tau ya ke expert committee ban kemi ya ke jing penkela ya ke reservation policy.
Nasngau ba kitu kiba ong babalai ngam shem lawan ban ya join haka hunger strike jongka VPP. Kinahap ban perkat kumni. Ba hatu kalong possible mo ya menteri jongka sarkar andala confirm ya ke appointment bat ki minister jongka wei pat kari wa cancel no ya ke program dak bayitu iki baki don ki seng pertai ki ban sya tangan no shalong dengan hap lip hai no bat kita ki beri gedang trek em banyak keren kam bat ngi hadirin kata di ngalai ya ki videos ki bapen kan mau ya ke jengkren ke jonga hakas nem hajar halor ke reservation policy dengan aku blai ya kitu barok ki badang penek ya ke ni video namar ke pen bawat post nem mensyuaru ubak polling do ula keren pa halor ke reservation policy post nem mensyua na keli kelapat hangno kidan ki videos jongga jingkren uba aden basai mai nomor hakatu kupur uru ulalong nong alam jongga seng bahalang kimdan namar ba uba aden basai mai sim lawan bat ngiru ngem sim la thnum ngem sim la beng babale man join haga hunger strike jongi kabar sim lawan ru namar habangi keren ya reservation policy kan si tambahai bukan keren sepang kini ke policy kum presiden jong ke Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo people keren kumno je namar ba ngim kwa ba bu yu hakata position ngim shem la khat bat kum jo uru shem la khat yangi reng ke jingpam khat jong yangi General Secretary jongga UDP Dr. Jamino Mautho ulalek banyak kendu yu di kata ke jingkeli ki pak ba balai ngamwan balai ngam don ha tugas jaka bau syong syak tangan kumbang la keren ke jingkemi lenti bat kathong ke jonga kalong ba haba pilajit yang kum unong elam bot nong mi khmat ngan pendep ya kata ke kamram hapo jongka cabinet arsngi swabangan mi na shalong banlek sha Switzerland ka cabinet kalai kendu ngalakran ya ka ke bangade ban kren ngamla banyak tu akhmat jengki media ya ka ke bangakran ha cabinet namar arsngi ba ngasmai kum minister ngalashim ya ka oath of office and secrecy ladang ngai thu lut ke bang kren hapo jongka cabinet ngapen khanyi ya ke kular ke bang laklai ba ngashim ya ke oath of secrecy na kata kadau pio iki media briefing barbor hadin jongki jingnya kendu jongka cabinet pimio ban syong hapo jongka cabinet bat ban ring video bat ban ring audio clips ya ki jing ekran hapo ka cabinet lajit yang pangan pendep ya ka kamram jonga kum undang yalam syaga kabinet. Ngam sutu balai badon kam ban lum ban lang ban pen kiri wen yu pai ba hakan ni kurukam tang hapo lai benai bala thau ya ka sarkar ka bathamai. Balai la ailat ya Dr. Mukul Samapat Bonong Chief Minister Pras Nem Lenter klaim da pen ki ya kan ke isu. Balai kini isu kami minta tang hapo lai benai perform ya kan ke MDA 2. Kabar kipai ba kidang syudap jit ya kinong mi kemat. Don na pedeng jongki kiba kasia bata hagi tersim ru kampat kuat. Mentah ya kita kijuk kipai ba ngintan biang ban mi na dukan. Mi na ki kali bapinya. Mi na kajing dia waidong banyawan syamat pran, banyawan sya sekretariat banyak syamadan. Lada kalong kumta kadan jingmut iu benong banjit nong mi kemat. Lada mars ndep election ngan lum man kasingi gi pai ba. Pat ngan penbun kam no yaki don na ki bawan hang ni kemat yeng ban keren syapang ka reservation policy ki beriu ki banyak ki kamai taksi ngam tip ki nyok jementoi iu lada implement lada kentiu ya ke kota jongi syak nyo 4% ru kin numio kam hi maki ha sarkar namar kila don lagi jongki tourist taksi la don lagi jongki auto rickshaw banyak ti haba piong nong mi kemat uta kan 100% YP namar babaro lai pusan lak ngut kan num ngam ke assembly bangin lek yarung bangin lek batai lut yaki kam jong ka state dia balajit yaki tik kat tangut ai ni ya kan kumta kai ngi ngim ong ba ngi la pendap hendai kini ketika kam ke barang it's a continuing process nga aku beli ya kaki issue bakal ada ai jemut ya bandan dak expert committee bat ya kata ka sarkar kala ada menjur ngi dan kami ki expert namar ngi tibet kat tibet ngi namla ban tip lut ki expert ya ke reservation policy ki ki brio ki batip ya ke demographic profile kitip ya ke constitution kitip ya ke law kitip ya ke jurisprudence kitip ya ki rules and proceedings jong ke state assembly kitip ya ki legal precedents dah latip ya kita baro then pula long expert handai hak jaka jong kita ki expert kinman batai no kinong nya auto kinong batai no kinong di madan kumnu ban peniat ya kan ke state di pijit yang abangan le ayu pada nga ngan lit no hak jaka jong ki andi madan no wan syong no mapi hak jaka jong piru pilong fit napet ada jingkran jong ki katuk anele ngai wi kam tibet ba maki ban sutu syapang legislation banjanga te ai ngaru ngan nya auto no nreng danya auto nga tekat nungut pada kiban urman kasi ban mensau ha la pikiran yiki bebun ki ai an ombansi ngam jukuran ya kan ni mentang kasi ngakwa ba pinius ngau namar kasuk ha ban perta kasitom ha ban le dagakam ki labor inspector kibau Dr. Mukul sama ubat ya ke file hakapol balong CM ubat lapang ke file bantung ya ki labor inspector ka don bat deputy CM in charge labor Dr. Mukul sama ubat ya ke file nakadaw ba ka don ka kerteng jong laingut ki kasi baladap recommend kiba ka tu ka list ka di ban laps no sa shiteo ndanga ladan ka reshuffle ka file kalau poisanga ngai i ba ka department amba ngalong communal ngai i ba ka department of labor ka duna officer bah bat lada up bantung sana ka we ka jaj benriu kanang pen slam syu yaki kam ki jam jong ka department na kata kadau ngala ai ya ka immediate clearance go ahead bantung gini ki samla borok kini ki samla kasi kila join kum ki labor inspector kabar kolong ba dan bun ki IKA kiba habaki penmentoi yang ngimdei ban kerkau than sabar. Daga bangi kerkau, daga bangi lek drama, ngi atrak kai ka kuat bagan pek kemat yang Amdei tangka high court. Mensua ka high court ka don tangka bench hang ni kam da interfere. Mentah ka don tangka full bench jong ka high court. Iki kam jengi barok ki scrutinize kan ka court. But daga bangi kerkau kerkiu palat. Mentah ngilak poi Sabah Muslim ki orang ayangi 100%. Tak kiwi pada ki tribe ki orang iru ngi dei benta jong megalia chano ka bahak jongi. Don siki kenuhun na Giant Hills ki orang ngi dei ki Giantia. Ayangi la ka jong ka kota kala nang pen kolmar syuk banwan ra ya ka solution. Ha ka sain perthai ngi i bun ngi dang long image palat. Ngi dang kelung kena palat ke bos ngotu. Ki parlok jungi Nagaro Hills kapau bakilong politically astute, politically mature. Kila ham syampang ba ya ke politics. Tikaran jingi per shibun ha preng ka ba keren bat ka ba le. Dia kita ki ba keren. Keliru ki gilale ayu pada. Ban keren tu kiba sajjan nong ru ki ong tengi hai kan ni gari. Ha? De ndrei ka jing i ri jongki kan long confine kat kum ka service ka jongki. Kila ban saj bha ya ki jan ka dei ka jing le bha. Ndrei ka kam jongi kum nong thau an te. Ka kam ram jong nong thau an kadai ban penlut por ban pulih. Pulut por ban pulih, ya ka law, ya ka constitution, ya ki constitution jong ki weipat kiri, ban penep ya ki jengmut jeng berkat. Bat lada lut por no ha ka ba lum balang yu pai ba. Ngan batai biang happy. Sans pa teli ki kam kimi hamegalia shisnem. Ladangi ong sans pa ailut yo kasi bread no ki ru kiba ai kerteng ha employment exchange kiba register menta kila poi arlak ngut te lada ngi tap sans pa ngut shisnem sakat no hajas nem kan simpur bandu yo kam arlak ngut kalau poi kerta jongki ksiu jong bakpol ban pendap di baling mi keren ka perthai menta kala keren ya ka artificial intelligence perthai kala keren kumnu human habitation on Mars ngi keren ban ngi ki ngin ong lagi isu ka kong sandu jong ajak menriu ban yo kam beyond Hasket Triad. It is not only politicizing, it is inciting communal hate. It is also trying to bring mayhem into society.
Ka high powered committee kata ka HPC jong ka yen rabar thau ang jela kalai kendu ha ka si balang jong kata yo hata vivanta shalong bat kani ke jingelang kala ai ke jing munjur ya ke jing terwa na ka benta ki jing tei ha ka wat ka baar bat an pha ru ya ka ni ke jing terwa sha ka Ministry of Donor jong ka sarkar pedeng.
Ya kini kejingelang lapenya du lampang yang dorbar tauan kejelau Thomas E. Sangma, ha kebaledon lang Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma, kisembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau kebagentup iubak Prestun Tensong bad ba senyau balangdar, kiamelia bad kiha officer sarkar ni kitenat boper. Ha kini kejingelang jong ka High Power Committee, jong yang dorbar tauan kejelau. U Thomas E. Sangma ula pentip ba kejingelang kelekran halor kejinglong jengman jong ki kam kijam ha kejingtai yang dorbar tauan kebetemai. Bat halor kejing terwa bantai ya kejing tai ha kawat ke baar bat ban kemiru ke bedai ba kejing penmit penbiang ha ke bedai bat ki kampahara. Uli tu ba High Power Committee ka Assembly Secretariat bagi tenat sarkar boper kele menjur kejing terwa na ke benta kejing tai ha kawat ke baar. Bat kini kejing terwa an sapa syak tenat dona jong ke sarkar pedeng.
We reviewed the progress of the new assembly building, which is the first phase, and we also presented the proposal for the second phase also. Second phase will include the staff quarters, MLA hostels, and the other health centers, schools, and so on. As I said, basically, number one was the review of the status, present progress of the main assembly building. Then the second item, agenda number 2, was to discuss about the second phase, which we are submitting a proposal to the Government of India through the donor ministry. Then the third agenda item was the presentation of the security systems, providing security solutions to the assembly complex. Now, with the approval of the high-powered committee, Assembly Secretariat, and the concerned departments like PWD and the other like PMCs and the consultants will sit together and again come back. We have decided to, since we are building this, having this assembly building and the complex from the scratch, so we wanted to incorporate the traditional and cultural aesthetics in the interior, especially in the interior and in and around the assembly complex. The principle of coming out with this, proposal for second phase, we also decided, and without compromising on as I said, the cultural traditional aesthetics, we have all agreed in principle that we should have, and also because we have 80 acres of land, but that looks very big, but actually when we put all the infrastructure inside, the space is not enough for us. That's why we have to, plan accordingly. And this plan is not for short term, it is going for the next at least 2 or 3 generations in future.
Menteri Sarkar Jala uba kami ia katnat veterinary and animal husbandry uba Alexander Laluheg. Hagasi balang jogata yo ula ong ba kajingkta jong kajingpang African swine flu. Yakis niang kadai tang hakikat tu kat niki jaka. Bat ka sarkar klasim kia mardor ya kanika kam.
Habayakren bikinong patay kubor uba AL-hek ulaong baudang si opdiang ya kakaipot na katanat sarkar bakidon gisnong kibagis niyang kilasakta na kajingpang African swine flu. Ulaong ba kajingkta kani kajingpang kadai tang hakikat tu kani kijaka bak sarkar klasim kia bankang bankit sniang na kini kijaka kilasakta. Uba AL-hek ulaong bakam dan satya kanu kajingkang ban syodo ne bande kisniang negi masi. Nregi dewan ot no yakido tang yakitu kibokot bakya hadin bladab eksamen degi doktor. Banshpen kan mau keladon katu kani kisnong haga distrik Ribhoi, haga Eastern West Khasi Hills, ha West Khasi Hills bat South West Khasi Hills. Haga bakisnyang kelayo gajingpang African swine flu, bat ki Deputy Commissioner kila penmi ke hukum balamana persya bankit nasyalan ni kisnyang syakiwai pat kijaka. Kum kajing syem kisenja mantek lakam bakane kajingpang kan om sapriang. Haga bedai bagajingpang ki masi naga lumpy skin disease. Uba AL-hek ulong bakane kajingpang ki masi kadai kabamla banyu adawai. Nrela susumar ya kidak kisyen kibami ha kamet jaki masi. Laban kedau bagane kajingpang kalakta bon teli kijaka kentup akabaki masi kalayo agane kajingpang. Ha kawai pat kaliang uba AL-hek ulong bolayo jingtip bagidon ki masi kibalayap akathan pentor umkra. Nri ompat tip ikadau tenrai halur kajingyap jong kini ki masi.
So DC of the Ribhoi district hereby passed the prohibitory order on recommendations of the district AHL veterinary officer. Ribhoi do hereby declare the following areas as a containment zone and do prohibit until the further orders. The containment zone here is places is so the reports received have also indicated cases of death of pigs at Sauriang, Madan Nong Lakhiat, Maulingkung, and Salai Ular villages under the Rivoy district. So these 4 areas has been declared as a containment zone. So the rapid response team will immediately send for to make containment for that area and immediately to take the immediate measures how to stop to exit and entry into the containment area and containment zone or bringing or taking out of the livestock from that particular farms. So that is the latest given by the department. Gitingi ang baik kumne na mabampat kang deban bandi ga sniang itu masih ya kasihan pun kang tingin mla bandi ki papang ki dia bitangi gitu ki badang tai dong kya kataru it is sent only after the verification of the veterinary doctor of that particular area. You have to see the health condition of the livestock. So far in Meghalaya is another tool.
How many?
That's why the government of the Assam also, they had declared to allow the the exportations of live pigs in the throughout Assam in the northeastern state. This is the notification on the 2nd June only. When 2nd June is only 5 years back. So this is yet we have to follow the SOP. That's all only. So it has already been declared by the government of Assam. After observed the SOP dated 2nd June 2023.
U MLA ke Umsning constituency u Dr. Celestine Lingdo hakini ki kendiat sengi ula syak kan thok jur halor ke jing sengap jar ke jong u ha ke bedei ba ke jing dawa penkela ya ke reservation policy jong ke jela. Uni u MLA ula lumi ke jing elang pat ba ha ke si ba ar jong ke tayo ha ke ba ula pensai ya la ke nong rim bat kan thok persyaru ya ke seng VPP ba kam simlala ban pensai kat no de ban bha ya ki khasi ha ke jing pen bet thamai ya ke reservation policy.
Hadian ke jingisha bo jingkeli basano MLA ke Umsning constituency uja bod ungkran AA halor ke roster system. Hadu bladon ru ke jinglej ban tiet tin ha ke kerpong yeng unu MLA. Ha ke hendru trek jeliau arhajar arpulai u Dr. Celestine Lingdo ulalum shwa da kinokit kam jong keseng kongres benekren bat pensyai pat ba halor ke roster system. Ha ke ba lawan manishim bentar ke sepangut ke jingelang ke belalong Umsning. Ha ke jingkran pat ba u Dr. Celestine Lingdo ulong ba ke jing sengap jar jong u kam syem ladai setia ke jing bam trek kren ne jing bam dan komon. Ndai ke jing sengap jar jong u kadai ba ku munong mi khmat de ban kren lapla ne batai start tang ban pen pau pat ba bu dan bentaban kren. Ndai ku munong mi khmat pat ba u hab ban puson ba bat ban wat benia ek ke badan kam ban kren ne dawa om ban syem rai song shit yo mi pen ban ke jing do nong ye pat ba hi. Ula kren diau ru ba kajing dawa bat jing cak tangan presiden keseng VPP ban kami bat pentamai ke reservation policy ba kene keseng kam syem la kren chai ne kedo hey de ban penkelai kene ke policy hatu kipat ba kin chong sngan ne kin chong sir hatu kin do nong ne kin yo nong hatu kajing dawa kalong ba ki parlok garo kini kun lang ya ka prapo na kasi spa lam ki kasi lada ki beri ke benagaro ki hun te kan suk ken ndrei ya ke mementahi ulaong bagi garo kim huni kani atau anja ayu pala da poi uput bantit jengkang jong kayeng syari u Dr. Celestine ulaong syuk bagi sarkar jela kalong bantau ke expert committee ban bishar benia halor ke reservation policy batkum ke committee ka ban yad ru katkum ka mandal commission report batkum juru kirai ki belami ke high court bat supreme court batkum ta hab ban up ke ka ba ke expert committee kan le yo hadu prapo nak sispa kateng
Tementa kasgi ngayeng hangne ban kren ban pensya ya pi kinong kersan jongi ke parti kongres ngayeng hangne ban pensya ya pi ka ke jing sisya om ban ya tainia bat no ngakwa ba pensya ka ka reservation policy ngakwa ba pensya ka ta roster system bat ngakwa ru ba pensya Ngakwa ma fiu sotu ba teng kamyo onong bas ngap jar ban ya ka bahala. Teka reservation jong ka Meghalaya ka ong kanu ka kam sarkar habalai kam. Ladangi tungkam ni ay 100% ya u garo 100% ya ki khasi 100% ya ki we ki scheduled tribes and scheduled castes but 100% unreserved. Ngaru ngakersan ya ka jing review ya ka naik ka policy amdai na marwa ngakersan bala berngam ka VPPM ngakeren mentakas ni amdai na mar balawan titin dang na po compound jong am ngakeren na mar ngasngo ba kaladai ka por bagi nong song sinong kisngo tu ka e ka badai bat ka e ka balai ngimdai ban sa alam bakla ha ka jing sngo sentimental ni bagi ong lada day drip yu ba arten te barok ki MLA day ban pendeng drip lu kabamut ayu day ban syok bandat eki bikin man saw ban ai drip kum kata se de hang ne banga ong ipi tongin long ki bastat ka hok jongi kandang ka ai ka bangi mentoy baro sikat tangim de bandu lada ki perlok garo ki ong da ka basuk jai tongin nom ya pia su itai prapo kat ubala kat ubastat kunyo ta ka basuk ban penkela tinga nga ong nang ne sekman ngan sai kendu i kirang ba syurong ngan sai kendu i kiseng balang tamba ngan nom syak ngan mo nga tengan nom nyale rada ka jing syak tengan bat ngaku laru ba ngan nom hala surok ladang adun kam ban keren ngan khot meeting kumanga khot IP ban yasai ladang adun kam ke jing erap jom kiseng balang ngan khot iki bangin yasai kirang ba snong bangin yasai ban ong kane ka clause F jong ka office memorandum kaong kikam gibalait hari boy de banyo swa kinong boy kani ka clause F kaong at the district level or subdivisional level 80% for either Khasi or Garo depending on the district itu ijing asam jongi saupo yo Garo saupo yo Khasi ha ka district level amdei shu ban pia combine lang lada ka dei ha Garo Hills su ayu mat yo Garo prapo lada dei siapo Khasi Hills ni West Khasi Hills ayu mat yo utu basa setu prapo persen mlele tangba hang tu kadon ka line ke banga underline mo kade baro kini ngasim na katuka office memorandum hito preference should be given to local candidates residing permanently in the district in which the vacancy occur. Kikam kibalak hapo Riboy district. Prapo persen ladam don Garo bawan tep. Kadai banlong na kabanta ki candidates ki basa ha katu ka district. Kabamut kikam ki balak Hariboy district day banyo nengkong suwa ki basa Hariboy district. But ka expert committee kanom la banyai like ya ka Mandal Commission report. Baro karay hagbayade bat ka reservation ki bapoy hapo High Court ki bapoy ha Supreme Court. Ka Supreme Court ka ongbay kat kung ka recommendation jang ka Mandal Commission report omla banbu reservation palat ya ka 10%. Lada cross ya ka 10% kata kalong exceptional case. Henry mangihang nengidan prapo persen. Kadai ka por pangide ban penkelai ka reservation policy jongi. Te Henry kai kata ka jingkela ka bangi kwa. Amdan bayi keren haduk mentah. Ubah syak tengan, ulah syak tengan, haduk berulah sangai mentah Henry. Na ke parti jombu, kimpat spell out. Kae kikuat. Bahkan kelah haka reservation policy. Kae ke bapa ni onong ya kajak bendri ungan kersan yang katakan. Tengah ong ipi, hadin balatau ya kena ke expert committee. Hadin ba unong syak tengan ulah sangai. Ngasosi ban ong ba. Hakawe kasngi anda ke expert committee kan ong nang ne sa kaman Ukasi jaintia bat garo kin sayo tang 4%. Ya sampara mapi ata kapor ngiyo markat no. Marlai po. Ar hajar ar po ar. Ja ayu po assembly nga katu kapor ngamlong MLA. Omdei mga kren persya iba Adelbert. Iba Adelbert hapo assembly iong ya kane ka reservation policy jongi day ban review no. Kamtam ha ka lat ban le kule dangle. Professional studies. Andala ya kren hapo assembly ki badon hapo ka sorkar ki ya tebot ki ong ngim priang ya kane ka jingkren jong UMLA wadon burong. Ti ularan Te Henry namar balayak tay hapo assembly kadon kaway ka konggaro kabakerteng ka zenera marak namar balayak ren hapo assembly maka kalit file case hapo high court jong ka Meghalaya but hapdeng jong ka jingya tay niya hapo court ka high court ka ong kadi ka rule badai bandon ka roster day na takadaw ka high court ka penmi ka order day ban penmi day ban bu ka roster men hakini kinyat sngi kadon kap jinglai kam hapo high court hapo Meghalaya ha social media baro la palut mo mobile jongaro kadon babaro ki bathap kam ki dei tangki garo sudah ka jingli galong balik ki labu ya ka roster system but aga jingthum kam gabamenta ka dei ka pali jong ki garo Today kan bakal list paro ki kerteng kimi ki garo. Haka next. Lada ka like sipo sa po high court. Lada ka pali kadai jom kasi jengtia baro kinong apply kidai kasi jengtia. Kata kadai garosta.
Hadirin ketuku kubor ni pasha sipor sa kini kijik penbena.
Hey Toyota, play my song.
Where you going, baby? Let me come around now, baby. Where you going, baby? We got that movement. We got that movement. Where you going, baby? Let me come around now, baby. Where you going, baby? I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. We got that movement. We got that movement. We got that movement in us.
The cool new Glanza. Go hatchin'. Go awesome.
Hello everyone. In this video we will be discussing some facts about chocolate cyst and endometriosis. This term is very commonly heard nowadays, that is endometriosis. Endometriosis is a progressive disease of females that starts at a very young age, and the most common symptom of endometriosis in girls is painful menstruation. So how chocolate cyst causing infertility? There are three ways that chocolate cyst cause infertility. Number one, the one or both the tubes might get blocked due to chocolate cyst. All the nearby pelvic structures are adhered due to a sticky substance released from this cyst and thus causing the pelvic adhesion. With the pelvic adhesion, actually the female anatomy or the part of natural conception is totally disturbed, and hence the natural conception is not possible with chocolate cyst. And the third one is it decreases the quality of the ovarian eggs. So in this video we'll be discussing about the fertility enhancing surgery for the chocolate cyst and the disease of endometriosis. So with a one hole or two holes, we through a laparoscope we remove the cyst, clear the endometriotic spots and then take out the cyst with that pinhole. What are the advantages of these pinhole surgeries? The patient can be discharged in 24 hours, there is minimal or no blood loss, natural conception is restored within 3 to 6 months. But if you ask the disadvantage is that as it is a progressive disease, so the cyst might recur within 2 years of operation. So if you have any queries, more queries regarding this fertility enhancing surgery, regarding endometriosis, you can surely contact us. We will try to help you. Thank you.
Haba pabiang sugi benta juga kubor. Haka jing jaga basosi. Arngut kisamla na kani ke jela Meghalaya kila yap jelop hakawa Brahmaputra kabadan hajan jong ke sorba Guwahati jong ke jela Assam. Kani ke jing ja kala ja haka Ndriu Tarik menta ubenai jeliu arhajar arpulai. Kini ki arngut kisamla na kani ke jela Meghalaya ki belangam jelop hakawa Brahmaputra ki kenthop yu samla hibor mi lalu arpnyu snam karta ubachong basa akasnong mauyong. Bat uparlok jong samla Rahul Chetri arpusau snam karta ubachong basa akasnong demiu. Katkum kejing itu di kibahayeng jong kini ki arngut ki samla loong ba kini ki arngut kilalik kelas Guwahati rengkat ki sangut ki bepat ki parlok. Hendai haka step jong ka Ndriu Tarik kat bakini baru arngut kidang temu banlik jingi pengat haka wei kejaka kabala tip kum ka pani kheti. Wei naki kata Rahul Chetri ulahap sakawa Brahmaputra. Bat hak bakum kani kepor usam lahi bor mila luru ular rengko sakawa ban yarap yalau parlok. Penban kini baru arngut kilangam jelap sendan bat kiwe pat ki parlok kibe dan lang kimsen mala ban pelat emeki wat lagi la persangkat la kabor. Ya kemet ke basa jong kini kisamla hadien beladep le ke postmortem lawan kitno selayeng sa jong ki ha kejan miet jong ke Tarik menta ubenai syakani kenong ba selong. Tang namar ke jeng suba ba ka wei kalong yeng ha kasnong Umrit Ribhoi district kidai ki men aik sud bat ki bedan kti ha ka ban le asniu ki wei pan ha ka sihat majai jong yo arngut kilong keme bat wei urang ba kila syak penjak buram bat syak pen saja da ka ba syak pendeng da ka tin bat syak penyak kejat ha barok wei kasnong.
Laingut ki beliau kila syak pendeng nagatin bat syak penyak kejat bat syak penjak buram hak senong Umrit hak distrik Ribhoi. Tanang kadau belami kejeng kenok bakini ki laingut ki dan keti hak ban aik sud bat le asniu ka wei kalong yeng hak ne ka senong. Kini ki laingut ki beliau ke bela syak penyak bat tin bat syak penyak senong ki kenthop bi arngut ki long kemie kata ikong dilen nong plang ikong shidalen nong plang bat uba han sok khwai ki ban na kadhor. Katgum kejing itu urang ba senong ka Umrit uba Efnas tangkiu le tho bagane kejing ja kala jatang na kadau kejing keno tu diang jong kini ki argut kilong kemia na ka klau jong ka kong shuti nong plang tak hadu blami kejing kan at ka bajor pha bala keno ru baga kong dilen nong plang baga kong shidalen nong plang lelet ban pha le asniu kalong yeng jong ka kong shuti nong plang hau ba han so kwai da ka belet tep ya ki pleng. Nagliang kinong snong rengkat ki bor snong kila penistom bat penleran ye kini gilaingut hadin kejing toket bat kejing plahok jong ki balalap ru iki pleng ke balat tap ban le sniu kalong yeng jong ka kong shuti nong plang kum ta ka snong kala shem ngene kejing ai penistom da ka bapentit terung kum kadak ban ajing sneng bat ban pener ngiu ki snong ka thau ndrai kim shem la shem pat ga an halaki kiti da ka basho badat yaki.
Tong kim dia ba phai ba le thi dang ba ha lo ngi ki ta long ba tik ide ba hadu nong tang ba kwa ki ba le dang ba ha ru tang ba tep si jaka limo ka gi ru lai tli lai so jaka je bi ka ni jumut tang ba tep ba le gi ha ta ha hol re ale gi di ayim buru wa ayim sorgar wa
Hadin ke jinglap jongka office jongka Commissioner of Food Safety bakadon ke jing inject da kadawai formalin ha ki dok ha ki bawan ra na sabar ke jela ki balak pat ban keta ya ka kot ke khia ka jong ki pat ba ki baba mi ke dok ha ha kasi pele jo kata yo ka sarkar jela kala khang ban kwan ra iki dok ha ki banabar jela hadu khat san singi
Kani ke jingkang banwan ra ikidok kana bar ke jela hadok khatsan sngi kadai hadian baka Commission of Food Safety kelale ikitas ikidok ha bat kala syam bel inject ekadawai formalin ikidok ha bakin do bat bakin lat ne kebaput ka Commissioner of Food Safety jong ke sarkar jela ikong RM kurba ila penmi ik hukum balakang bansalan ikidok ha ki banabar ke jela syapok ke jela Meghalaya namar ba kan bu ha kejing ma bat kan ketaru ka kot ka kya ajo ki pat ba ki baba mi ikidok ha ki bel inject da kadawai formalin Kalau pentip bakat kum kakai pot nak assistant food analyst jong sarkar jela ha ka hendau Tarik ujeliu. Hadin ke jingle iki tes ke beper la syam bakladon ke jing inject da ka dawai formalin ki dokha. Ka belong ka bi ka baklan bor bat ka ban ketajur ka kot ka kya ki pat ba. Ka jing khayi bat jing de ki dokha bal inject da ka formalin dan ni kinu ki dawai baneda ki dokha nak jing put. Ka de ka bam singan setia ka kot ka kya kat kum ki kendon jong ka Food Safety and Standard Act arhajar hendriu. Kino ki balik persya ikan kejing permenakan kering yaki bencak pensaja daga basyong patok aduh news nem rengkat bat ke basyak dan kuna shipaulak tengka kat kum ke kendon jangka Food Safety and Standard Act arhajar nrio.
Ki pulit jong jela Asam ha kala su ible jo kata yo kila yo bat ya kawai ketrok na jarabat ke batmu ban khayi be an ya ki arpusan teli ki masi sepok ke jela Meghalaya bat kemru yo unongnya jong kata ketrok
Hadin bagi pulit jang kejela Asam kelio jingtip ke batikena ni bor sentiat halor ke jingkit iki masih bertemu bancalan bean ke jela Meghalaya kem ki kot kisla ki babiang hagamiet jang ke santrik ujeliau arhajar arpulai kelio ban bat ekowi ketrok ke badan new registration number AS not UAHC Sau Pralailai Hajorabat haga distrik Ribhoi haga jing talasi yakni ketrok ki pulit kelio purup arpsan teliki masih ki balwan kit na nagaun Ujni hak jela Asam yang kebelatmu menwancalan bean syaki yaudi masi kabadan ha bernihat hak distrik Ribhoi. Kipulit kila kemno iunongnya jang nega trok u Gulzar Hussein bat kipulit kidang penlong ya kejing toket ban lap iki weipat kiberan keti hak nega kam kai bean ki masi klam ki kot kisla ki bobiang.
Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare ba polung do ha kasi belang jo kata yo ula pentip ba ka sarkar jela kan sepenlong ya ka jinglum jingken thamai halor ka jingdan jong kinong di drugs bat ban buru bunteli ki rehabilitation center ha ka jela
Habayekran kinong pathai kubor ba polung do ula ong bagidan palat ar point san lak ngut kinong di drugs ha ka jela kat kum ke jingtip ke beladan lupa mentab ka tenat sarkar bat gini ke jingtip kidai ke belalum license menchua Ula penpau ba ki babon ki bedi drugs ki dai ki ba hakarta ba hapdang arpo do lai posnam bat ki kenthop ki samlakan thai bat chenrang ba kumta kalong badan kam ban penlong i program ban sutho pat ba bat kalong badan kam ban phai kmat ba ha kene kaliang Menteri Uluang bagi sarkar kan penklan yang kom trekam ha bandan ki rehabilitation center na gabenta gid khot jeng emlang salang ki belakum yat bakla ha galenti jongki Uba Apol Uluang bagi sarkar keran jeng temu bantai bon teli ki rehabilitation center bar Uluang ru bagi jeng ek bami menta kalong bagi center ki ba penyat ki Shimet ki simpalat akador ke barem. Kumta ke sarkar kan sapai kemat bah halor kan ke benta bat kan yale ha ka ban snai lagi jong ki rehabilitation center da ke ba sedang shwa na kanong ba jong ke jela. Nalor kania ula banjur ke jingdan kam ban penklan syuk gi rule jong ke NDPS Act ban pen kok bor ki pulet bat kumjo gi dor bar snong bagian la ban te la kam ha ke bayde ba ke jing de bean ya u drugs ha ke jela
We intend to also set up more rehab centers. The only issue here is as you said the exorbitant rates charged by private centers. On this, the government has to step in. But as I've just taken over, it's not even 3 months. So we will certainly give this all the required attention, and we will certainly be able to initiate our own rehab centers, at least beginning with the state capital, especially considering the fact that most of these drug users are youths who are in their 20s up to 30s, a very productive age, and also that we have even not just boys, even girls indulging in drug addiction, and this is again linked to issues like AIDS and HIV and a general lack of direction in life for these young people. So we will be advocating for more awareness programs, and we will certainly pay more attention to this aspect. We make rules. Kita cuba minhapan pet ya. Makanya ketika Central Act, NDPS ketika National Act, dan raya rules lah frame dari state government. Dia bana ibor ya ki dorwasnom traditional institutions kemudian nyahapan revisit ya rules ni nahapan penting ba ni amend di rules ha kata korkom ba ni ai bor langi dorwasnom hapo jamani kat nama ketika ke Central Act ke ba ni domlapan amendment ni act and then ni amend the rules under the act dia kata ketika jika clear ke ba manusia hadi man penting kenapa gini yo man empower man aibo ni dorwasnom the rehabilitation of members of the society who have gone the wrong way. So we will intensify our action plan, and we should be able to cover the entire state in the next 6 months.
Ka estimate committee jong ka yin rabat hau an ke jela kala let sedali ha kala siu blai ban pet ya ke jinglong jingman bat ya ke kompanya ke sarkar Delhi ya ka mohala clinic bat ya ka skul sarkar ka balatip kung ka rajkiya pratibha vikas vidyalay.
Ka estimate committee jongyeng dorbar thau an gejela kala lecha Delhi hagala sing ublai ban pet ik jinglong jingman bat ikor kompanya ke sarkar Delhi ya ka mohala clinic bat ik skul sarkar ka balatip kum ka rajkiya pratibha vikas vidyalay. Yakini ke jingjurip dalam nu MLA Kenongpo constituency uba Emerald Bonds IM ubelong chairman jangani ka committee ringkat ke jingdan lang gidkhot ke bekentop ya uba Charles Marngar u Remington G Momen u Limison Sangma bat ka Miani di Shira. Kani ka kanhun nengkong kalalit ban jingho ekawik skul sarkar ke belatip kum ka Rajkiya Pratibha Vikas Vidyalay kabadan Hanai Basti Kishanganj New Delhi ban sakhi dalaki jangki kamat ya ke kompanya ik skul sarkar. Ka komiti kelalap ru bagi skul sarkar Delhi kilong ki babit babiang bha namar ki don nado ki digital classroom ki kor CCTV ki laptop ki library bad arpotli ki school health clinic ki badan kawai kenong tray ANM psychologist MTW ba uwe doktor. Hakani ke johi ke sengi ke estimate committee kelalit jingo ru ya ka mohala clinic jong ke sarkar Delhi ka ba kani ke sarkar kelada banbo hado sanspa arpotli ki mohala clinic hakani ke jela. Kadang komiti kelasyam bagi niki klinik idai nak bentagi patba berkilong yang kibaduk. Bat haki niki klinik omdan kam mensiu wat ka bai dawai, ka jingle ka blood test, ka ultrasound, ka x-ray bat kibai. Ka komiti kelasaki ru bahaki niki mohala klinik dan ki doktor, ki nurse bat ki pharmacist, hendai laraja bagi nong pang ki dan niki jing sitom ki bak hamjur. Kumta ki doktor nak niki klinik ki pa no ki banlet pak sumar haki hospital.
Are you planning a pregnancy? Then preconception, you should know the 4 important points. Start your folic acid tablets, get vaccinated against rubella, Stop your alcohol and smoking habits completely. Start a balanced diet at least 1 month before planning a pregnancy. And check your blood sugar level, thyroid status, and hemoglobin typing of both husband and wife.
Ginoy ka school hapok ka kanuhon joga Giant Hills Lower Primary School Teachers Association kata ka GHLP STA Kliriat Unit bat ka Meghalaya SSA School Association kata ka MSSA SA East Giant Hills District Unit hakasi balang joga tayo kila lit ban ara ka dorkas haka Subdivisional School Education Officer jongka East Giant Hills District Kliriat halor ka jing ka jong ginoy kai ban pendan kam ya ka GPS map camera app bat ka UB attendance app nak benta jong ginoy kai
Kani ka kanhuan kalapan pau bagi nohi kai school ke bihikai ya kishnong kitau kilamat ikijing ka jing pendan kam ya kini app namar bagi nohi kai kidon ikijing syap tiang ba ka UBI attendance app kalumnot ikijing tip na kinohi kai bat bun kinohi kai ki penan kam dagi mobile phone ki bam remdor ka bakine ka app kam la satya bantre kam bat ki jaka ki than nong kendong ki jaka ki bakan network ru kam ju kam don kam tam kum ha ka than huroi borghat saipung bat ki wei kilapan pauru bah hashwab na pentre kam ki ka app kam syam dan satya kanu gunu kijing selok bat ki bedan benta ki bedan hopur usam jong ka East Giant Hills bat kani kilapan kulmar ya kinohi kai Bon kino hikai kem dai satya ke batip bahas pangki core teknologi ke bamenta bat kem nang ru ban penan kam ya ki GPS map camera app bat UBI attendance app namar ba shimla dan satya ka no gono ke jangai hikai halor kene ke benta bat kane kala pen sertok ya kino hikai kilapan pauru ke jing penyau baya kene ke project jong ke sarkar jela la pentrekam tangha ke district East Giant Hills bat shimla pentrekam pat ha kelengki benta jong ke jela Kakenhun kino hikai keladawa badai ban pensengai asisendon ke jing pentrekam ya ke GPS map camera app bat ke UBI attendance app daki bor ke badai kmi enrai bandon chwa ke jing ekran ne jing yalang halor kene ka kam
kanong rim ka ba nakaliang jungi ki arseng ni kendo ya ISDSEO kalong hadin mangilayo ya ka complain nakibabon ki para nong hikai ki jongi hakabay day bat kini ki apps kibala pentrekam nakaliang jong ka office jong ISDSEO kumjuro naka office jong district mission coordinator kabanong kong kajing kaba parano hikai penpao syangi kum kaseng kalong ba nakaliang jong ka office kala register but share yaki personal details jong kinong hikai hapo jong kaneka UB attendant apps kapadai ka software kabala shna da ka Ubitech Solution Private Limited claim da yo ya ka concern na ni ka jingbit na kinong hikai shwa ban share ya kini ki personal details jong kinong hikai hapo jong kanika apps nata shushu akaba penlengo ya kibabon kinong hikai kalong ba hadin ba nakaliang jong ka office kala shu forward da ka link nakbanta ban pentrekam yo new apps anda kila download yo new apps kila login ka number ka phone number ni ka personal details yung ki la dep ban register lupa nakaliang jong ka office kuma mane kem da yo ka jingbit lagi para nong hikai kanir kolong ka way nakabenta ka ba nakaliang jong ka office kala violates ni penkeng ya ka right to privacy jongi ki nong hikai ni jong kino ki songshino ti nong songshino hapo ri India katkum ka mandates jong ka article 21 jong ka constitution of India kabaar ka ba nakaliang jong kinong hikai kilpan pau ya kajing shingi kilpan pau ya kajing shingi ka shingi ki arseng kalong ba kibabon hi kinong hikai kidang pendon kam ya kini ki handset ki barim bon na ki parano hikai jongi ki klem pentre kam ya kini ki smartphone na ni ki android phone henry ban pentrai kam ni ban download yaw ni UB attendant apps kidon kam ya ka smartphone kaniro kala bo jing ya kinong hikai bat ka penship ting shu yik paranong hikai kalong ba kila yo ya ka jing maham no office balada kim pentrai kam yaw new apps kila ban syabat ya ka tulop jongki nani hadu ban sya terminate ro naka service jongki kalong ka ka bangi kum ki seng ki ba pe ka jing jong kinong hikai apo East Giant Hills District ni so kya ka bai dei bat ka ni ka benta pataka way ka sur hatin bangil aya tai sani bahaya kani kamat da kawai ka sur ngila shim ya karai bangin legbo ya kani ka jingcho bat kumjuro ban ya kendo ya i SDSEO bat ya DMC ka bai dai bat kani kamat te hakani ka jingi kendo jongi bat i SDSEO nakaliang jong i ila penpau ba ya menta imla ban ai kano ka jubab ha ka bai dai bat kani ka benta bat ila panpor nangi ban ai por i ba insa shong ka meeting bat ki staff ki jong i contribute di yo DMC BMC pat hadin kata insa pentipat yangi bat ka kin sakot shakamit jing kren hakabai dei bat kejing penekam ya yakini ki artli ki apps ka baar mening ila shim ya karai ba kat empat la ban ya kren ya kani ki jing jong kino hikai ngila shim ya karai ba nado ka sngi ka ba ngila wan ai ya kani ka jing tho sa ka office baro kino hikai kata kentup nado kino hikai SSA ki government ki non government ki deficit ki ad hoc bangin sange no shisendon ban pentrekam lani ban pendon kam ya baro artli kini ki apps kata yo GPS map camera apps but UB attendance app ka balap tha na ka office tat hadu ba ka office ka code yangi sa jing kren bat kaniro lada hadin ka jing kren lada ngisngau ba yo new apps la sngau don kam ban pentrekam te ngin sa pentipat da kumwei tat hadu kata kapor ngi ngikirpat ya baro kino hikai hapo East Janji Hill District nado kino hikai SSA government non government ad hoc pat deficit ba nado kani ka klimat ka bangila wanbo ya kani ka city but nado lasai terter bangin sange no sisindon ban pentri kam ya new apps
Daka jing temu benile bante lakam ya ka kambam sam khamtam habadan ki school ki bala syak pengop hakibrio jong katnat puli puthi hakala asu iblai jong tayo ka district school education officer kata ka DSEO jong ka Riboy district ka kong piling do nonglan kelapen sai baki pat ba kimde ban IPSA AA ya kinu ki brio jong katnat puli puthi ban yo ya ki skim ba pero na ka sarkar jela lane na ka sarkar pedeng
ka District School Education Officer DSEO jong District Riboy ikong piling do nonglat hal ka santri gujleo arhajar arpulai lepen bana bat penchai pat ba kam tam shkibor peniat school bapher jong district ba kim dan kam satya ban sieu ne IPSA shk officer batre po katanat jong puli puthi na gabenta banyo ikinu jing penmang skim na ka sarkar jela ne ka sarkar pedeng ya kini kejing pensyai ke DSEO kalah ban benmi pat ba hadin kejing yo jeng tep badan ki skol ke belasya pengop ki breu jong katanat puli puthi ki belalet ban shim kabu de ke bapen biet ki bor peniat skol bagian hak ban siu de kepisa kanang mungkin yo ya kejing mang ya ki skim boper haba pensyai halor kini kejing sya penbiet ki bor peniat skol karibhoi DSEO ilong bekeliyo kejing tep jeng ujor halor kejing sya pan pisa jeng ki bor peniat skol ha ki officer ki ba amla ban tep lagi dia nak kata DSEO ne SDSEO. Bat ki judan hiru kita ki officer ke jupen ngop ya ki school bakin yo kita ki scheme. Ila pensyai ba kamdan satya kanu ke jengdon kam man IPSA ki officer jong kata puli puthi hajla Meghalaya na ke benta ki school ki badai hok ban yo kinu ki jing mentoy na ke sarkar. Ila benrap ru balada kinu skol kimat kum kini kijing syak penbiet hagi beriau ne ki officer jong katanat kini ban pentip ne ujor syak office jong ka DSEO kenang ban yo opat ban shim dagi lat ki beteng
kam dan gano ka jing siu pisa na kamtaban apply opening permission ane ki regularization ane kinu di scheme ane ki jing yo jong mentoy na ka sarkar lang ba ka office ni imdan kaman ai si pisaro andrei kadi ke duty jong ki officer bakin tray back ya katam but nada ki labiang ki norms kat kum ke jing bu jong ka sarkar dan kaman si pisa ru lada day na ka office ke jongi lane la ka day na ka office jong SDSEO lane na ka office jong ka SSA lane DMC lane na kinu kitanat office kum chaki waypan i BMC lane ki block kumadan cha umsning lane umling jirang bat kiway nimdan kam sipsa ru bat la don kinu ki bapan pisa Nakinuh ki school, nakabentaban penyo ikinuh ki scheme. Lane ban penyo permission, lane ban penyo regularization bat kiway. Kila ban yathu ban report sanga nang ban le ya kabadon kam. Marka state hibarok kuway kam don kam pan pisa neki school habaya day bat kano pa scheme kabad day ban ay tinirap di school. Kaya kaliang jongi ka district ro ngim don iay pan simpisa neki school la don kaman simpisa kum ki Bharat Scout and Guides Teachers Welfare Fund itong iay da ka receipt like ni kita ngim judon AA bandawa pisa na neban simpisa na school. Padla don kinumin ko officer kibawan ki school. Ban pisa kide ban pentip buat sa office markata kamla banlong yuran jong ka office.
Menteri ki kam jungok kai perthai jong ka jela uba pol lung do hakala siu ble jong ta yo ula pentip. Baka sarkar kelarai ban penteri kam ya ka Shillong Ropeway Project katkum ka European Standard. Bat kan deiru ka project Ropeway ka bahetam hakathan stelam mingi.
Habaya keren beginong patai kubor uba apol lengdo ulo ang badang shan ula lecha Switzerland bat ule kendo iki laingot ki hair officer jong ka sarkar Switzerland bane keren na kebenta ban sedang no ika Shillong Ropeway Project haga jingnut ka bakot cispa sop hok lor tengka ka bantai da ka Asian Development Bank. Ulo ang bagane ka Ropeway Project kandai ka bahaya tam hakathan stelam ingi bala kami lenti beginong jengok kai perthai kinwan bat toy sakani kathan bat ka kam jengok kai perthai kan kalalong kum kalat ban ai kam ai jam yakipat ba ka jela. Uniu menteri uliatho ba ka jinglet jungu sha Switzerland kadai hadian bala syakot ngobha ka sarkar Switzerland bat kle kendo iglaingot ki he officer jong ka sarkar Switzerland da ka jingthmu ban pentrei kam ya ka project Ropeway katkum ka European Standard. Ulang ru ban sedang ya ka jingkhot tender bat ukar menskam ba ubnai no pra an sei ban sedang no ki kam gijam bat kan shimpor kum ba arsenam tam ban pendap ya ka project. Hakabai day bat kejingkan no baulale kiara ban keren hakabai day bat kejing dawa ban penbet thamai no ek reservation policy. Uba poleng do ulong ba umla ban pha pensange no yakani kejing yalang halor kanong rim badon ba ubasyak tangan hakanong ba Shillong. Bat ban pai kerkia bat ban penkut gini kejing yalang kibal ajing bet da ketenat kambari ke India.
But kani ketika teknologi keba nginyo ban sedang ya ka Shillong Ropeway Project. Kani ke Ropeway Project keban poi kumba sispa san prokuror. Ngi lalek kenang ban ye kendo authorities Switzerland baningkong nakadaw baga teknologi kebangin pendon kam kede benlong world class. Keba ar kajing seriem jong ke climate ke sumbereng ke jongki bat balai ke topografi ke jongki ni ko ban learn ba ni pendon kam ya kene ke teknologi bat ba kani ka project ke baki ong ke monorail gondola ke ba kumbang batai mentan kan poi kumashi spa sanpau kror ke jeng pelut ya ke funding la ai dari Asian Development Bank bat ya ke teknologi ngipat ya ke ngipan ya ke technical support naga sarkar Switzerland. Bat hakini ki official program ki la assure yangi ba ke sarkar ke jongki kan ai ya ke full support naga benta ke ni ke project ke bandai ke project ke bahaya do North East India naga benta ki cable cars monorail gondolas. Di apa jong ke ni ke project ki beliau ki ba let hakate ke jaga haka site project site haman ka cable ka kinyo benta kumban reu spa ngut shishi kenta bat ladangi ken ba ngi pentrekam shipo hours shipo kentaru kemudian reu hajar ngut ki beliau kinwan banjungo yakni ke project kebamut bagi economic benefits nangta kinlong ya baro ki brio nado ki nong di jingdi nado baru Meghalaya ter hado bandapoi project site ke balong nalau sotun shalom di kindon ki gaming activities entertainment kindon ki park kindon ki facilities na benta ki kena kindon ki facilities na benta ki disabled kalong ka project ka balong very ambitious but ki ban syong ke mga mention mentan kilong henrius pangut ki si kenta di henrius pangut katam kemba sispa ngut ya ka jingmi ki kam ha ka ki office jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ha ka sisnem
Hakani ka snem ga jingelang banialap sya kinong song snong ka jela halor ka phang baniada ya ka jing penjot ya ka saudong saukun jo ka meram o bat banlat na ka jingkala ka mariang kalalong ka bahe bat ka bakam chongkun kabala penlong da ka tna sarkar ha ka Henry Tarik menta ubna jeliu arajar arpulai ha state convention hall Shillong ka jing rakhi ka World Environment Day menta ka snem arajar arpulai da ka sarkar Meghalaya kalalong ha ka rukom ka bakam he habai nu jor bagi snem ki balalek namar hak ni gasngi da ki spangut kinong isimenta kilawan poi haki artli ki hall jonga state convention hall Shillong kunthop na du ki kna school ki samla pulia ni ki college bafer ki riu pau khmat ka jela bat ki he sarkar ya kani ki jing rakhi menta la penlong da ki tnat sarkar Meghalaya bakunthop ya katnat forest and environment bat ka Meghalaya state pollution control board hakni ki jing elang Menteri Rambak Kejela o Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulalong kongsan kat bau Chief Secretary Kejela ubak Donald P. Walang IAS kumusembut kongsan. Kibai dikihe officer jong sarkar kibilai dan lang ki kenthop ya Principal Secretary jong sarkar ubalong ru CEO jong Meghalaya Basin Development Authority Usambat Kumar IAS Secretary Katnat Forest and Environment Manjunat C IFS Member Secretary jong Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board R Naina Malay IFS bat kiwei de ki officer jong kini ki artli kitnat hakni gasngi na lor ki nongkren kila persang ban pensau thuo sa ki pat ba halor ka jingdan kam ban sumar ya ka meram o habaro kiliang ban pom pathar ki dieng ban penne pensa ya ki telong ban sumar ki wa bat kiwei la samru iki kusnam chaki kun hon ba per ki bela no asnyang ha ki snam ki bela let ban yadai ka meram o ban lat na ka jingkala ka mariang ki wedi ki kusnam ki kun thop ya ki nong job ha ki jing ko ba per ki bela penlong da katnat forest and environment bat ka MSPCB ki ba kun thop ya ka jing ko tho AC ka jing ko drodur ka jing ko kentep bat ki we
One of the very, very important aspects in all of this is number one, that departments need to work towards a particular goal, and we as political leaders and the officials and all of us need to work towards an outcome. And hence this entire thought process of ensuring that collaboration took place between departments started. We realized that many departments were working in silos. They were not speaking to each other. And they were basically worked and focused towards completion of their schemes and implementation of the schemes, rather than looking at the real outcome or the purpose of why we are implementing the schemes. And hence we saw a kind of a transformation or a change taking place in the entire outlook of how we have been working. A sense of purpose started coming in. Second thing we realized, that if the government tries to do everything, we will not be able to succeed. And hence, apart from the departments collaborating with each other, we also require the community to work with us. We realize that unless people are not involved, unless the process doesn't start from the bottom, the decisions made at the top are not going to make any difference in the long run. At the same time, I would also like to take this opportunity to announce here that we are going to be coming out with a new mission. That we are seeing that we are having a huge problem with power. Electricity is a major crisis in today's world for us in Meghalaya. And there are many reasons for it. I don't want to go into all the reasons because I want to look at the positive side on how we will move forward with it. But just to share with all of you, in case some of you did not know, that every year government of Meghalaya spends approximately 600 crores as subsidy or as funds being given to MECL just to maintain the kind of power supply that we have even today. So we are having power cuts. This is in spite of government of Meghalaya spending 600 crores, annually. At this given point in time, we roughly spend 3 to 4 crores per day to buy additional power to maintain the things that we are doing right now. That means for 100 days, if we continue this, we'll be spending 300 crores more to buy power. And we have to realize that this is the same money which is available for us to make roads, hospitals, schools, use in different environmental issues. So this is the kind of challenge that today the power sector is giving us. And hence, we decided that we need to take different measures apart from ensuring the efficiency improvement, AT&C losses, overall rate revisions, all those other aspects. We also need to look into the fact that we need to get production higher. And hence we have decided to come out with what we are going to call the CM Solar Mission. This is going to be a mission where we will subsidize units of 500 VA to 3 kVA to larger units of 10 kV and to institutional size units of 40 kV, where up to almost 60 to 70% in certain categories will be given by government of Meghalaya so that people can have solar powered inverter units backed up by battery, which will allow them to run for even up to 2 days in certain cases, even if the sun is not there. And the solar panels will allow the battery to be charged and allow the light and current to be there, even if the normal grid electricity is not there.
Hagani kelumpong Yakob drodor ke basisngi ki kena nek skol baper ki bana kan nek nong ba shlong kentup nado nek skol sarkar ki skol bala penyat ki kunhun balang ba jangki reu shimet bat ki wei ki seng rukum jo ki lawan shim banta shat ham ban pen pau ke sab drodor jongki bat ke jing shampang bat jing pro jabiang ban pen mandor pat ik jing dro jongki hagi dor baper ki bedei bat ka kubor ban sumar ya kamariang ban laj na ke jing kala jong nek kamariang saudong saukun Kabala banwan ra ya kejing klut ya kepertai kejing kerdoom bat ki wedi kejing ma. Hangni pini ya palat cis pak lai pemut ki kena kentup nadu ki kena ki badang red Bahakarta kum jo ke bala pulih ki kelas ki bakham shalor. Ki ya persyang bandroi ki dor ki babon jat ki bathau bat kamat pedeng ke bala bo. Hadian balakut kepor ke bala bo ha ke bakat do ki kena ki bala job kene kejing Yakob ha ke kerdan ha pedeng ki kena ki banado kelas 1 hadu kelas 4 La job dau Abhinab Mishra na ke BK Bajoria School. Haga Jacob aprengi kena ke banado kelas 5 hado kelas 7 la job do Ayang Gurung na ke 7 set school. Bada ke Jacob aprengi kena ke banado kelas 8 hado kelas 10 la job dai Elinia Sierra Bla na Christian Academy School.
Hakala asu iblay jong kata yau ka Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan NYKS Ribhoi District kalapan long ya ka Yuva Utsav ha St. Paul Higher Secondary School nang po kumsi benta ban ay ya karensa nakabenta ki kna school bakin peni ya ka sap kopong kabaki kidan.
Shibenta ban plelat ya ki kun samla ki berani ngasap ki benta beper nagaliang katanat rekam jongka Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan NYKS jongka district Ribhoi. Kalpenlong dak program kabelamang na katanat Youth Affairs but Sports kabelatip kum ka Yuva Utsav ya kabelapenlong ha St. Paul's High Secondary School Hanong Po. Ha kani ke program jong kisamla lawan bani Shimbenta do ba Vincent H Pala UMP Shikalok Sabah Kumukongsan ha ka jengiran rengkat uba Amiral Bon CM UMLA Kanong Po uba dirap sang Deputy Director ke NYKS nalor kiwe ki he bat ki dekot jong ke NYKS. Haba kerana kini kesni uba Vincent H Pala ulapan Paul ke jingkemen banyo Shimbenta ha kum kani ke program ban kentiu ka sap jong ki kun samla ban ailat ki kumno banang pentebit yala ka sap ha kino ki benta ki baki don kena bakalawe jongki kan long ke bapernai ulong bakani ke jok ke bamenta kala kham bha ha bayinu jor bat ki por ki lalet no habro ki liang ndrai kum ki samla kim dei bandu jengkermen ndrai ki dei banyai 3 minit bat ban penon kam hok ela kasap nang ban ki ba ke jing ha gani ke program na kaliang ke NYKS kala penlong ya ki jing kop ki baken thop ya ke jing kop painting poetry ka mobile photography bat ki ki jing kop ha ka baki nong job gini gijing kop gini olat bani Shimbenta ha ka kerdan state level jong ke NYKS ka ban salong shen ha ka nong ba shilo
ke kumbalong ha ka balang ni ha ka niam ni don ki jong ijing amnor ijing kwa kumjur ro ko NYK ka government na kapor sa kapor kapelni kapel sel yang kifin akan terkom begila bandon ke target hak kene kesem NYK yang kene ka nalian ka Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs idon ka mang dan idon ka pledge kisang di bentar kebetulan kau kene ke target ba develop ya dari India. Ni yang di MLA nila man ya pun man punya surau, punya school, punya bang di ni kibon di bentang bajukan kam John Kinom Song. Andre lagi Kinom Song. Kimdon ke jiat relang bat kasarkar lagi bat kepolisian ini hasno matau. Leyok kan bayo kamdon kata kio. Sebab aku akor borong kata kio play. Kata development kamu deh tang niyo ekonomi skill leni tang ni poin kamu. Development ni kini yang keleng. Development nak kayo kuat kali kawai. Development ke jingkio hak nyam tong kali kawai. Ke jingkio hak imlang salam kadai gawe ke jingkio ke puli puti kadai gawe tamot gawe ko la bara ni im haka ka system la de lo kun ka culture kari juni kan kio ki bobon ki tanta
Hadirin kutu kubor ni phabi yang swachi por kini gijing penbena.
Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing some facts about chocolate cyst and endometriosis. This term is very commonly heard nowadays, that is endometriosis. Endometriosis is a progressive disease of females that starts at a very young age, and the most common symptom of endometriosis in girls is painful menstruation. How chocolate cyst causing infertility? There are 3 ways that chocolate cyst cause infertility. Number 1, the one or both the tubes might get blocked due to chocolate cyst. All the nearby pelvic structures are adhered due to a sticky substance released from this cyst and thus causing the pelvic adhesion. With the pelvic adhesion, actually the female anatomy or the part of natural conception is totally disturbed, and hence the natural conception is not possible with chocolate cyst. And the third one is it decreases the quality of the ovarian eggs. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the fertility enhancing surgery for the chocolate cyst and the disease of endometriosis. So with a one hole or two holes, we through a laparoscope, we remove the cyst, clear the endometriotic spots, and then take out the cyst with that pinhole. What are the advantages of these pinhole surgeries? The patient can be discharged in 24 hours, there is minimal or no blood loss, natural conception is restored within 3 to 6 months. But if you ask the disadvantage is that as it is a progressive disease, so the cyst might recur within 2 years of operation. So if you have any queries, more queries regarding this fertility enhancing surgery regarding endometriosis, you can surely contact us. We will try to help you. Thank you.
Hey Toyota, play my song.
Where you going, baby? Let me come along now, baby. Where you going, baby? We got that movement. We got that movement. Where you going, baby? Let me come along now, baby. Where you going, baby? I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. We got that movement. We got that movement. We got that movement in us.
The cool new Glanza. Go hatchin'. Go awesome.
Haswa bang ne peteng su ki kubor ki jongi ni pen kan mau biang ya ki mat pokong san na kata yo. Thung ko sarkar ga search committee ban wat ki dukhat jong ka expert committee halor ka reservation policy. Hadin ke jongan panel Switzerland kan tho ba pole ke jingi ki reservation uba Arden. Mi UMLE ko umsning ban pau ke jingi i ke jong u halor ke jingma ka bala ban up ya ki khasi ba jantia na ke jing dawa pen kelai ka reservation policy. Bakno le asniu ni aik suat pensitam kasnang umret da ka ba pentit tin ya laingut gibri ba inject formalin hagi dok ha mana wanra dok ha na sabar ka jela dan ar poin san lakmut kinong di drug sa ka jela hagi lais nem beladep ya thu ba poleng dok bat dan kam ka jingi trelang bat ki pat ba baniada na ka jing kala ka mariang haba pet je ka jing kala ka mariang hagi ni kisi ba menta laban yo iya ki jingja ha keleng satlak ka perthai ha ka ba don kiri ki ba ka jing khlut ka kiu hado kata kata ha ka ba kibri ki yap na ka jing shit ka jing kemding ju ki klau ka jing terkhong bat ka jing kedoom bat ki di ki jingja kani ka de kamat ka ba hagi ni kisi kibriu nadu kiriu pat ba hadu kiriu shampang ha ka jing kala ka mariang ki keren ba Dei halor kini ki jingkla ba ha kani ka snam arajar arpulai si benta ka jing rakhi ka World Environment Day ka wei ni ki mat pedeng jong ka sarkar ka dei ka baong ha ka tien nong wei save Shillong's rivers tu ni kmi benta ya kani ka khubor Dah ketuga kubor ngila poi cakap bakut jong ketuk kubor jong imta kata yo ngin se syam pat pilih syam te yo ha keju singi keju apor sa si sen tak pilih sibu.